Good morning, everyone. You are welcome to the winners team. Today, we'll be having a presentation on health challenges. This presentation is being supported by New Life International, that is our parent company, and is being powered by the winners team. So, to be discussed today, we'll be talking about health challenges around us, causes of health challenges, solution to the health challenges around us. Also, we'll also talk about why do we need nutritional supplements and also importance of regular checkup before we conclude. So let's proceed. The number one thing we'll talk about is health challenges around us. We have many people that are battling with one or two health challenges today. So as we all know, we have two types of diseases. The first one we'll talk about is acute diseases. Acute diseases are the diseases that they have pronounced signs and symptoms that we can easily feel or dictate even without go for medical checkup or maybe with medical checkup. And if you attend to it, maybe you take a medication or a drug prescribed by a doctor, before 1 or 2 days, you are back on your feet. So the next one is chronic diseases. Chronic diseases are the diseases that are non-communicable diseases. They are not like acute one. So they don't have pronounced signs and symptoms. So we are talking of acute diseases that are the likes of malaria, typhoid, fever, cough, headache, and other one, maybe stomach pain, all these normal things that are common around us. So if anybody is having malaria, you can walk to a chemist or a pharmacist. They will prescribe a drug for you and you take it. Before 2 days, you are back to work. So, but chronic diseases, the contrary is the case. So we have diabetes, arthritis, hepatitis, stroke, cancer, prostate enlargement. So if you look at all these diseases, you cannot see anybody that come and meet you that I'm feeling like I'm having hepatitis or it seems like I'm having cancer. No, you can't know if you're having any of these diseases except you go for a medical checkup. So that is when you can detect them. And they don't just go. You cannot treat them and cure them. You can only manage them. So that is why our health need to be monitored and taken care of as expected. So what are the causes of these health challenges? The major cause of health challenges in our society today, the first one is our lifestyle, the way we live our life, which is very important. Many of us today, we majorly focus on work all the time. We hardly rest. So our lifestyle, we are being advised by World Health Organization that we should make sure we are engaging in rest and physical exercise. So many of us, we don't do all these things. Our lifestyle is contributing to our health. And another thing is our diet. And if you look at the word diet, it is being spelled D-I-E-T. But if you remove the T at the back, it means die. So if you are not eating to diet, you may be eating to die. So we eat what we feel like eating, like delicious food, or what we satisfy our hunger, rather than what our body really need. And we all forgotten that what we're supposed to eat is what our body need. So the solution to these health challenges around us, what are the things that we can do to avoid health issues, to avoid chronic diseases in our society? The first thing is to live a healthy lifestyle. Live a healthy lifestyle and also be eating healthy diet. Irrespective of your financial capability, You are being expected to us to eat healthy diet. We are being taught how to eat balanced diet in our school days, and those that did not even have, maybe they did not go to school, you don't have any formal education, you can ask your doctor or ask anybody that is close to you that how can I eat a balanced diet. And another thing is to be consuming nutritional supplements. Add supplement to your what? To your health. By taking supplement, it will also help you to avoid chronic diseases. And the last one is regular checkup. Regular checkup is very, very important for us to know how our health is doing and to prevent issue of chronic health issue. So another thing, we are going to look at that healthy lifestyle. Healthy lifestyle, it comprises of rest, exercise, healthy weight, and regular checkup. That is how to live a healthy lifestyle. Many of us today, we don't do a physical exercise, we don't rest as expected. We've already exchanged relaxation for resting. Many things, maybe when they are watching film or they are busy chatting with their phone, they think they are resting. No, you are relaxing doing that. So if you want to rest, you sleep. It's a complete shutdown of your system to have a very sound sleep so that all the organs of your body will be able to rest. And exercise, you don't need to be running from one street to another before you do exercise. You can do it at the comfort of your house, maybe from maybe like 1 to 10 minutes or 1 to 30 minutes. It is okay for you to do exercise, and when you do exercise, you go straight to the bathroom. So, and the best of exercise is swimming. If you have a swimming pool or you have opportunity to swim, that's the best of exercise. We need to watch our weight to maintain a healthy health, because once you are overweight, it can give room for other diseases. And regular checkup is also very, very important. And at the same time, healthy diet. Diet is very important. According to World Health Organization, we are being advised to eat minimum or maximum of 5% of carbohydrates. Carbohydrate foods are the likes of the likes of rice, the likes of bread, the likes of yam, the likes of gari, and so on. Everything you can think of, even the spaghetti and the noodles and the likes. So all these carbohydrate food, we consume them in excess today, and too much of carbohydrate food will increase the sugar in your body, and when sugar is being too much in the body, it can lead to diabetes. And when there's issue of high blood sugar or diabetes, it can give room for that sickness to us, so to also set in, which might be very, very dangerous to our health. And at the same time, protein and fat, maximum of what? 15% per day. So check today, many people, they will buy food of ordinary, they will buy meat of 1,000. We eat excessive meat. Some people eat soya and other fatty food, all this packaged food. So you eat fast food. As you are eating fast food, you die fast as well. So another thing is also what? Vitamins and minerals. Vitamins and minerals are the likes of fruit and vegetable that are around us. They help us to grow our immune system and other many important functions that they perform in our body. And also they serve as a detoxification in our body system. And the whole grain food, we need them up to 50% per day, because they are what? They are helping us to feed our cell. If you eat whole grain food, the likes of rice, millet, wheat, soya, wheat germ oil, and also anyone you can think of, all these things, they help us to what? To feed our cells, because the cell are the unit of our life. So we also have to talk about why we need nutritional supplements. Nutritional supplement has a lot of function in our body. They help us to ensure our body is getting enough of the proper nutrients that they require, because the nutrients that our body that is lacking in our diet, it has been extracted and packaged as the full nutritional supplement, that once you take it, you are not taking any other thing, just the nutrient that your body needs. So, and it's very, very essential, and they will make it easier for us to manage our weight, because there are some food supplements that are being packaged for what? For weight management only, so that when you take them, you have a very good healthy wealth. and at the same time they improve our cognitive abilities. Many people are being affected by old age illness today, like loss of memory and the likes. So when you take food supplements, they help you to what? They help you to shape your life so that you will not be having all these old age illness as you are growing older. And they provide us with better athletic performance by help us to what? To have a very good bone joint function. So you will not be having all this pain. Maybe I cannot walk very well, or my leg is paining me, or arthritis or rheumatism. Many people that have been down with arthritis today, it is a very, very dangerous issue that we need to avoid, especially for those that are already growing older. Even maybe you that your work always involves sitting down, it is very dangerous for your health, especially, and you might not even feel it now until when you leave that work, maybe after you retire. That is when you now be seeing the consequence of lack of physical activities. And by taking food supplements, it will help you to be supplying the vitamin D that you cannot get naturally, and even the calcium that you are lacking. Everything will be supplied by taking food nutritional supplements, and they decrease our chances of dealing with heart diseases. One of the things that is ravaging people's life today is heart diseases. We are talking of heart diseases, it might be related to stroke, hypertension, and so on. And they also help you to keep your vision. They help our vision to what? To be very, very okay. Many people, as they are growing older, they cannot read without using eyeglass. Even some young people, even youths under 20, they cannot read without what? Without eyeglasses. So all these things can be avoided by taking quality full nutritional supplements, and they will give our immune system a big boost. They boost our immune system to able to prevent many diseases, and also they provide pregnant women with more nutrition that will help both the baby and the mother. And they will also combat the side effects of many drugs that we take out there. Whenever we have been down, maybe we're having malaria or headache or typhoid, we run to our doctor, they prescribe drug for us. All these drugs, fine, they help our health very, very well. But many of them, all of them to be precise, they have one or two negative side effects in our health. So by taking nutritional supplements, they will help us to deal with all these side effects, and they will make us feel better about our health as a whole. Food supplements are wonderful. When you take them, you experience a better health. And I would take a pause here. I will advise us to just look at this video. It's being prepared to help us to know more and why we need to support our health with nutritional supplements. So, welcome back. As you can see from the video, you can see that this is very, very important, because it is help you to have what your body really require. They are natural nutrition that your body really need. There's no any preservative added or any sweetener or what have you. It is natural and have no side effect. These supplements are being packaged and produced by our golden company, New Life International. So, and this company has been producing supplements right from 1958, over 60 years now. So, and all our products are being backed up by Scientific Advisory Board. Even here in Nigeria, NAFDAC approve all our products, and they have no side effects. And if you take them according to what? According to instruction, you will really enjoy your health. So permit me to quickly introduce to us some of our best-selling supplements today. We have many of them, but few will be introduced to us here. The first one you can see is one we call New Life Pro Vitality. New Life Pro Vitality, it has a very powerful function because it is being made up of 4 different products packaged in one. So it contains omega-3 salmon oil plus, it contains carotenoid complex, 3NN, and essential vitamins and minerals. So all these products, they have different function in our body, like that of carotenoid complex. It helps us to boost our immune system by 37% in just 20 days. It is proven and confirmed by Scientific Advisory Board. And also, the 3NN there, it feed our cell, what your cell really need on daily basis, it feed our cell. And also the omega-3 salmon oil plus that is there is majorly for our heart, for our vision, for our brain function, for the joint function, to avoid inflammation in our body. So it has many functions, and it's comprised of all the 8 omega-3 classes that we really need on daily basis. And the essential vitamins and minerals will supply to our body all the vitamins and minerals that our body need. And another one is 3NN. Like I said now, 3NN is an whole grain food made from wheat germ oil, rice bran oil, and soya oil. So when you take it, it's majorly for your cell, and when it feeds your cell, it enables your body to perform all its function. So it has many functions in our body, like boosting of our immune system, prevent issue of indigestion, and also energy. It also helps to improve fertility in both men and women. Even those that are having ulcer, you can take 3NN. It has many other functions, like for eyes, and many other ones that I cannot even mention. So also the salmon oil that I just told you about, that is also inside the Pro Vitality. Omega-3 salmon oil, as you can see, it is just pure salmon oil. Salmon is a fish that is in Atlantic Ocean in Kenya. So this salmon oil is being extracted by our golden company New Life International, and it has many functions in our body, like I rightly mentioned earlier. And another one we also need to talk about is Gallic-Helium. Gallic-Helium is natural antibiotic that help us to fight all kind of infection in our body. It serves as an antibiotics, antifungi, antiseptics, any form of infection that you're having. Maybe it's toilet infection, or maybe it is blood-related infection or throat, or any kind of infection. Even if it is cold or asthmatic patient or cough, garlic is very wonderful. And also we have chelated camarc. Camarc is majorly to help us to improve our bone health. It will help us to improve our bone health because it comprises of calcium and magnesium, amino acid, it comprises of vitamin D, and many other things that it does in the body. It helps our bone health to be very healthy, and other functions. Those that are having insomnia, sleepless night, or you don't used to have a good resting, so take Carmac, it will help you, or all this body pain and the likes. So another one is also fiber tablets. Fiber tablet is majorly to help our life because of too much of carbohydrate that we are consuming today. When we take fiber tablet, it helps you to manage your sugar level so that the excessive carbohydrate that we are consuming will not be leaving too much of sugar in our body. So fiber tablet has many other functions, like for constipation, or maybe issue of indigestion, or for diabetic patient. So they are wonderful products. If you need any of our products, we have many other products. Those are having issue of cancer, prostate issue, and other health related challenges, even fertility, that are tested and confirmed. So if you need any of our products, just contact us. We're going to attend to you. So we are going to proceed from here. What we'll now be talking about is importance of regular checkup. Why do we need to engage in regular checkup? It is being advised by World Health Organization that we check our body at least once in 3 months or twice in 6 months. It will help us to detect disease early on, before they become chronic in our body. We'll have detected them, and it decrease our chances of getting better treatment and cure. And it help us to keep track of our health. You'll be able to know what is going on within your body. Some people are just walking. That's why you see some people, they will just walk, they will fall down and they will die. Some people will sleep, they will complain of headache, they will die because they don't really keep track of their health. So regular checkup is very, very important. It reduces healthcare costs over time. Instead of you to become diabetic and be managing it for the rest of your life, you can easily go for regular checkup. Your sugar is getting high, take what you need to take and reduce it, and you are good to go. So it also helps us to boost our lifespan and well-being. So some people, they lose their life today as a result of what? Lack of regular checkup. Because if you would have checked your health, you will have known that something is going on that you can prevent before it takes one's life. So let's take this very serious. And if you want to check your health, you can come to us or you contact us anywhere you are across the country, and we're going to attend to you at a very affordable cost. So before we conclude, I'm very sure we must have learned one or two things from this presentation. And also, you need to know illness is not what anyone planned for. Invest in your health today, because the investment that it is best of investment is the one you invest in your health. So because if there's no health, there's nothing that is left. So once chronic disease sets in, it can only be managed, not curable. You need to know this fact. If anybody is telling you that maybe you have a cancer, or you have maybe a diabetes, or maybe you have any other chronic related diseases, and I tell you that we will cure it, my dear, they are deceiving you. You can only manage it to a minimum level. Some people, they are diabetic today, but they've been able to manage so that they will not even feel it. They will be living their life normally. Even though they will not eat some certain things, but they will still be living their life to some certain extent, that they will know that, oh, I'm still enjoying my life. So, and also it helps what you need to avoid. You need to avoid being a liability to your family. Some people today, they are maybe 50, 60, they are already what become something that their family are praying that for them to die. Imagine somebody that cannot what be left alone, somebody to be there, and you spend a lot of money on their medication. All the property they have has been sold because of what? Because of their health challenges. They cannot live like normal human being. Why would you wait to have all this kind of experience? It's better you prevent yourself today from being a victim of chronic diseases. And it's not that maybe those that are having maybe they offend God, because many of us will be like, oh, God forbid, God forbid. It's not just God forbid, it's by taking action. And you are not wealthy. You need to know, when you are not healthy, your health is your wealth. When you are not healthy, you are not wealthy. Even those that have money, if you have money, you don't have health, you will prefer to let go of your wealth to regain back your health. So we need to also remember, prevention is better and far cheaper than cure. Our health, your health, my health is our what? Priority. Be today, be tomorrow. In New Life International, the winners team will always what? Be there for you and be ready to support your health, irrespective of your what? Of your challenges. And before we go, you need to know that New Life, the winners team, our aims and objective is to what? Is to make sure every one of us have access to healthy life, irrespective of our financial capability. And you need to know that maybe you don't have money, I'm not wealthy, does not mean you cannot what? You cannot maybe require for our service or our products. If you come to us, you explain yourself, we'll be ready to and willing to help. And you need to also be informed that in case maybe you need any of our assistance, maybe for inquiry or advice, or you want to order any of our products, maybe our food supplement products, you want to order for them, or our agro products, because we also produce agricultural products that are naturally produced to help us to have a very good farm produce. And also maybe you want to do general body checkup, you can easily what contact us via WhatsApp, or you give us a call through this what number that are displayed on our screen. So you can say we have the two numbers there. Contact us anytime. And if you are on WhatsApp, you want to talk to us on WhatsApp, just click on that number that is displayed on the screen. Tap on it, it will take you to our WhatsApp page. So thank you for listening. We really appreciate your time. So this is brought to you by the Winners Team and New Life International. We love you and we want you to live a healthy life. Remember, your health is your greatest wealth. I'll be waiting to hear from you. Thank you very much. Goodbye.